just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth system in the Audi. First of all, we'll just turn that down. First of all, we go into telephone, and then on settings, you've got Bluetooth discoverability, Bluetooth audio player, find Bluetooth devices, and bonded Bluetooth devices. So if we go down to bonded Bluetooth devices and then click the center button, you've got there Barry's iPhone 10. That's the one I want to delete. Click on that, and you've got delete device or connect it again. So I want to delete. Do I want to delete? You've got to scroll to yes. That's it. Now,